So this is data. This is way of loading data using user stage. Okay. So now, so this concept is clear, right? Okay. We need to go to download NoSQL download. Type in the Chrome. So you will get link. Okay. You need to check the Linux Windows. Check one. Then go open the command line. Type NoSQL -a. A means account identifier. Copy the account identifier. Paste. Then enter. It will ask for a username. Then you can again after typing username enter. Then it will have password. Just you can type the password. When you are typing the password, it won't show anything, but you need to type properly. Okay, it won't show anything. After typing the password, then give the enter. Then it will ask for the. It will show your warehouse name. That is like warehouse and everything. Yes, it will open the Snowflake account. Then after that, so in which database is going to work? Select a database. Then after schema, then check the CSV file and as per the requirement create the table. Then use the put command. Okay, put space file colon slash slash. Then copy the path paste. After path, either one more slash. Then see the CSV file name. Then we need to give the .txt CSV, right? Then after give one space at the rate of table user stage name at the rate of tilde slash that table name, it is the user stage name. Then after running this one, check the data into the using $1. Then after use copy into emp. This is the copy command. When we are loading data into the table, we're going to use the copy command. Copy into emp from tilde emp. Okay. Then file format equal to type equal CSV field delimiter skip header. Okay. We need file format. Suppose JSON file. So we need to use the JSON format. Type equal to JSON. You can give directly. Only for CSV only, you're going to create type of field delimiter skip header. For other formats like JSON, Parquet, just we need to use the file format equal to file format name. That is the enough. Then next check the data. Okay. So for the data loading user stage. Okay, I loaded data into the user stage. Then I can check. So now I have same table, one more table. So now I have EMP table. Then I have a table like EMP. So I have EMP table. Then I have one more table EMP like one more table. EMP new table. So same columns and everything same. ID, name, salary, department, same is the data. So now I'm trying to load data. This is the user stage, right? From this user stage to this EMP new table. So simply here I will keep in the copy command. I given this, right. I'm going to replace here. Okay, this EMP no. Okay. So now I will use the copy command. So the data going to again going to load into the this EMP new table. Okay. So when we are using the user stage. So same process for the table stage. How are we going to do? So same method when you use the put command, when we loading or using the table stage, same thing, everything. So again, creating table, put file, copy location .txt. But here we're going to use the at the rate of percentage. So this is the only change. First we're going to load data using user stage. Then after that we're going to work table stage. So same thing, but we don't use this is the syntax for the table stage. Just change the remove that tilde and slash, then use the percentage and again. This is the table stage. Again we can check the data using the percentage. Then we can run the copy command, okay, into the EMP table. Again we need to use the so here percentage. Okay, file format. Then you can check the data from the EMP. So EMP. Now what will happen? Now I have EMP new table. Okay. So then I'm trying to load data table stage to EMP. This is EMP table, right? Okay. Now, okay, EMP new table. I'm going to load data. So now run this copy command. So it will throw the error. It means using user stage, we can load data into the multiple tables. Okay, but using table stage, okay, this is your table stage name, right? So we can't load data into the multiple tables. అర్థమైందా? సో నేను ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ యూజర్ స్టేజ్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను. ఇక్కడ టిల్డా ఉంది, స్లాష్ ఉంది. ఓకే, నేను ఈఎంపీ టేబుల్కి డేటాని లోడ్ చేశాను. సో యూజర్ స్టేజ్ నుండి లోడ్ చేశాను ఈఎంపీ టేబుల్కి. సో తర్వాత నేను సేమ్ అలా ఇంకో టేబుల్ ఉంటే సో దానిలోకి లోడ్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేశాను. సో లోడ్ అవుతుంది. బట్ టేబుల్ స్టేజ్ నుండి సో నేను డేటా వేరే టేబుల్లోకి అంటే ఈఎంపీలో లోడ్ చేశాను. ఈఎంపీ లోడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఈఎంపీ న్యూ లోడ్ డేటా లోడ్ చేస్తుంటే టేబుల్ స్టోర్ నుంచి లోడ్ అవ్వదు అనమాట. సో డేటా అనేది లోడ్ అవ్వదు. అర్థమైందా? సో యూజర్ స్టేజ్ నుంచి మనం డేటా అనేది మల్టిపుల్ టేబుల్లోకి లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కానీ టేబుల్ స్టేజ్ నుంచి ఓన్లీ అదే టేబుల్ కంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ %ఈఎంపీ అనేది ఈఎంపీ టేబుల్ యొక్క టేబుల్ స్టేజ్ నేమ్ కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఈఎంపీ టేబుల్ ఉంది, దీని స్టేజ్ నేమ్ ఏంటి, దీని యూజర్ స్టేజ్ వచ్చేసి ఇది @tilde/emp యూజర్ స్టేజ్ నేమ్. టేబుల్ స్టేజ్ వచ్చేసి %emp is the table stage. ఓకేనా? సో ఇట్ మీన్స్ we can't load data into the multiple tables using the table stage. ఇది వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ యూజర్ స్టేజ్ టేబుల్ స్టేజ్. సో వాళ్ళు అడుగుతారు యూజర్ స్టేజ్ ఉంది కదా, మళ్ళీ టేబుల్ స్టేజ్ ఎందుకు డేటా లోడ్ చేయడానికి, ఒకటి ఉంటే చాలు కదా, సో రెండు ఎందుకు అని అడుగుతారు. అంటే యూజర్ స్టేజ్ ద్వారా మనము ఓన్లీ ఒక యూజరే యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాడు, ఓన్లీ వన్ యూజర్, బట్ డేటా అనేది మల్టిపుల్ టేబుల్లోకి లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కానీ టేబుల్ స్టేజ్ ద్వారా మల్టిపుల్ యూజర్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఆ డేటాని, కానీ ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ టేబుల్లోకి లోడ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. అంటే ఓన్లీ అదే టేబుల్లోకి లోడ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. వేరే టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ లోడ్ చేస్తే లోడ్ అవ్వదు. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ using internal stage. We have three stages, right? Named internal stage also we have. This is user stage, this is a table stage, then this is named internal stage. So using named internal stage, how we going to load the data? Okay, so same thing again, we need to go to already we log in. Okay, same account you can use it, but here when you come to, we need after creating table, when you use the put file path, okay, /filename.txt. so here what we going to do after this one in Snowflake, so we need to create the one stage. So create stage, my stage. Okay, it means first we're going to load data into the stage. Okay, stage, this one. For that, how you going to do? So same syntax, everything here. When you, so stage you can create in the Snowflake or you can create in the command line. So anywhere you can create both, except what we are doing, except put and get command. So we can do everything in the Snowflake and in command line SnowSQL both. Okay, so delete this one. How we going to show the stage? Always remember, when we are fetching data from the stage, or if we are mentioning stage name anywhere, when we are loading data from S3 to Snowflake, from anywhere we are using the stage name, we should mention at the rate of. Okay, then after that stage name, so then only work. Okay, always remember this is the how to the stage name. Okay, so create stage, my stage, this is okay. When we are creating, after creating stage, must use the at the rate of. Okay, so same process again, we enter my stage. Okay, then it will load into the my stage. Again, you can check using the data from the my stage. Same thing at the my stage. This one, my stage. Okay, so it will, we need to check the data. Again, we need to copy command. So load data from the my stage into the table. Again, file format, it is going to load data into the table. Copy to table from stage. So this is way of loading from the named internal stage. Okay, so see, from user stage, table stage, we have one. Okay, from user stage, when we are loading, so only this will be only useful by the only one user. We can load data into the multiple tables, but when we are loading data using table stage, okay, so we can't load into the multiple tables, but multiple users can access the data. Okay, then name and internal stage. So both multiple users use the data, they can use the data, and the so multiple into the multiple tables we can load the data. So here I loaded data into emp new table. Okay, I have emp table, then I can load data in emp table. Then if I have one more table, we can load data into the one more table. So using user stage, okay, we can load data into the multiple tables, but can access only one user. Using table stage, we can't load data into the multiple tables, but the multiple users can use the data. So using named internal stage, there will be multiple users use the data, and multiple into the multiple tables we can load the data. Okay, so this is they will ask. Okay, what is the limit of loading size by default? Direct loading only 250 MB. So by when we are loading direct load, only we can load the 250 MB. If the data is more than 250 MB, then we go with the internal stages. User stage, name stage, internal stages. Oh, 1 second. Okay. So using the that internal stage, we can do so multiple tables. Okay. So this is loading data, user stage, table stage, name internal stage. So this is I explained my system completely. I explained. Okay. So tomorrow we're going to do the practical. Okay. We're going to connect 10 o'clock. So today I have some work. That's why 10:30. Regularly we have 10 o'clock class. So if anything, any delay, I will let you know. Suppose 10:15, 10:13, I will inform the uh, group only. Okay. In the message, I will give a message. Okay. So this is simple. What you're going to do? I have given files. Just try to yourself. Okay. What I am giving. So simply you can go to here SnowSQL download. See download. See this one. You can see. Okay. See here SnowSQL for Linux, Macs, Windows. If you are using Linux and Macs, it's going to be triple flash. Okay. You need to use the triple slash input command. After put the file column, we use slash in the Windows, triple slash in the Macs or Linux. Okay. So then మీరు ఇంటర్వ్యూ ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి, మీరెందుకు ప్రాక్టికల్ రా తీసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ ఏం టార్గెట్. So again it will show next insta, it will show like this. So give the yes, finish. Okay. So now go to CMD. So now type SnowSQL -a. Okay. So now go to this one. Copy, or you can go to your profile. You can copy from there. Okay. So paste here. Remove the slash. Give the hyphen. Okay. Then enter. So it will ask for the username. I'm giving. Wait. Sorry. Oh, SQL hyphen. What is it? So Madhu. So open new one. Practice. CMD command line. SnowSQL. Okay. This one remove this one. Okay. Now enter. So it will give wait please. So give username Madhu DEC. Then so when I'm typing, it won't show the password there. Then enter after typing the password. Enter. See, oh, now it's working. I think it's not working. Okay. So after that, it will show SnowSQL to type SQL statement. SnowSQL version 1.3. Okay. Type SQL statement or help Madhu DC compute warehouse. So no database, no schema. Then use schema. Sorry, use database. Then run. Okay. Then enter. Use schema. So I'm going to use sharp schema. Okay. Here I'm not using because we don't have many tables, right? Sharp schema. I'm going to use sharp schema. Then I'm running the show tables. Okay. It's going to show the tables. Okay. Here format. ఇవన్నీ ఎక్కడ వెతకాలి so we don't so name it will show like this one like search after bytes and then so we'll go to Snowflake so select space schema now we will check the sharp schema what are the tables we have so I have only employee table okay that's why it's not showing anything so this is showing employee table here okay employee table so select the data select store from the employee then enter so it will show employee name salary. Now I'm selecting select star from the employee. So where ID equal to A. Okay. So suppose if you miss anything, click the upper arrow, it will show the last one. This one EMP ID. Oh sorry, again I did a mistake. Where EMP ID equal to 1. So what we are doing the in the Snowflake, so we can do it here. Suppose I'm going to create a table EMP. Sorry, what is employee? Employee clone of okay. Take it go. The clone EMP okay. So it's going to clone the table. Now we can check the table. Select star now. So EMP clone is showing. Okay. So this one. Okay. Again it will show. Okay. So now I'm dropping the table. Drop table employee. Then it will drop the table. So now I'm running show tables. So this one it will show the table this one. Okay. So this is where how to work. Okay. What we are doing is NoSQL we can do. Okay. But you can't run the this one. Okay. So suppose see I have data already, right? So put command. So see check this put command. Okay. So my stage there is file what we given snowflake data txt. So we created the this file right. Okay, this copy this one. First I'm going to create one same EMP table. Okay, I'm using your tilde algorithm EM. Okay, this one this is the EMP table. So I'm going to create the so we can create here also no problem. Okay, create this one. Let's create an EMP table. So now I'm going to try to put everything same. Put the file location is just fine. So one thing, the put command. Okay, I will tell you. So pasting. Okay, okay. It will load. It will throw the error because of this error is presently we have spaces right. NoSQL space Snowflake DBT Snowflake space updated files. So when we use like having spaces, it won't work. Put command won't work. So first what we do, we go below. I don't think we have okay. We don't have here. Okay, we have files. Okay, this file we are going to load, right? CSV Snowflake data. So copy this one. So yeah. So put file column slash slash with the location. Then again slash file name. What is the file name? Snowflake. CSV Snow this one, right? Okay. Then copy this one. Okay. So go to again here. Then paste here. Dot to txt at the rate of tilde left side top below escape కింద ఉంటుంది ఓకే స్లాష్ అక్కడ ఈఎంపీ టేబుల్ దెన్ ఓకే give the enter. Usually need to load data into the EMP table. Okay, going to load. Okay, what do you want to say? So this is the put command, right? Put command will work here. So now I'm having the put command. Okay, so I'm open the Snowflake. So I'm running the put command. Okay, sorry, use control enter and unsupported feature unsupported requested from the Snowflake. Okay, so but give the enter, it going to load the data. The certificates is revoked or could not be validated. Host name is 3amazon.com. Okay, so something issue with my account. Okay, no worries. So it going to load data into the uh, this into the EMP table. Okay, see this is way but it will work in your system. Okay, so as of now, okay, this theory is clear, right? So tomorrow we going to load data practically. So completely I explained about internal stages and this we will learn later. In next class we're going to see about this one. Okay, so how to download and command line. Okay, so how to log in, use database schema, loading data, user stage, table stage, named internal stage, and what is the difference between each stage. So, and when we going to use data, okay, more if the data more than 250 MB, we're going to load. Okay, then practice. So tomorrow we're going to see in the practical. Okay, we need to load data. But we just I explained theoretically. Tomorrow we will do the practical. Okay, so this is when you do practically you will get doubts. So yeah, as of now clear, right? This about the stages or anything is there? Praveen, Rajesh, Shekhar, where is Avinash? Okay, okay. So clear, right? Praveen clear in the Praveen clear kada రేపు ప్రాక్టికల్ చూద్దాం. నాగా, రాజేష్, శేఖర్, సరే ఓకే. రేపు కనెక్ట్ అవుదాం, రేపు ప్రాక్టికల్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా 10 o'clock సేమ్. సార్ చెప్పేంటి
అది సిటీలో కాకుండా మనం ఉంది కదా మనం క్లౌడ్ దాంట్లో నుంచి ఫైల్ లోడ్ చేశారు. మీరు దీంట్లో నుంచి కదా లోడ్ చేశారు డెస్క్టాప్ నుంచి అంటే స్నో సీక్వెల్ నుంచి చేయాలి కదా, అది మనం డైరెక్ట్ స్నోఫ్లేక్ క్లౌడ్ లో నుంచి చేశారు. ఫైల్ లోడ్ చేశారు,
డైరెక్ట్ లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు. డైరెక్ట్ లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు.
ఆన్ ప్రెమిసెస్ నుంచి
డైరెక్ట్ లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు.
ఓకే, ఫైల్ మన డెస్క్టాప్ మీద
ఫైల్ డెస్క్టాప్ మీద లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు. చేశాను కదా
ఫస్ట్
ఇప్పుడు చేసి చూపించాను కదా. ఇప్పుడు నీ డౌట్ ఏంటి?
అట్లా కూడా అవుతుంది కదా, మరి ఇది ఎందుకు
నీకు స్టార్ట్ క్లాస్ వినాలి. క్లాస్ విన్నాడు మనం.
అది అప్ టు 250 MB ఫైల్ వరకు డైరెక్ట్ డౌన్లోడ్ లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు. పెద్దది మోర్ దెన్ 250 MB ఉంటే విల్ యూస్ దిస్ కమాండ్ లైన్ చేసి. ఓకే, అదే అక్కడ మిస్.
సరే ఓకే, మనం రేపు 10 o'clock కనెక్ట్ అవుదాం. డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మెసేజ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే, థాంక్యూ.